This video shows the difference between a standard fitting and the innovative I-fitting from BMT Superlock. On the left side, you see a standard fitting, and on the right, the I-fitting. Pay attention to the built-in check ring of the I-fitting. It releases automatically once the fitting has been properly tightened. This minimizes the chance of errors to the absolute minimum. Choose I-fitting, save time, avoid errors. Top quality, as good as leading brands. We offer a wide range of I-fittings, from unions to cross pieces and more. Upgrade to I-fittings and experiences the difference for yourself. Contact us or visit our website for more information. I-fitting doubles your speed of installation.